This is a folding military machete, and this one, as you can see, very good quality. So there's a protective metal over here, and the way it works, you just unfold it like that, remove this part. Actually it says Japan, so made in Japan. Maybe it's a Japanese one. So that is a really nice quality. Not super sharp, but sharp enough. Look how thick this blade is. So you could be chopping wood and stuff like that, not worry about it too much. A really good quality. These things are pretty old. You don't see them in such a good quality very often. The way to close it, you push this to the side, just like a regular folding knife, except this one is really stubborn. It's just big. So, and then you carefully close it, and then it becomes like a bushcrafting knife, as you can see. Check this out. So you could be using like for cooking, cutting, kind of handle is in the way, but whatever else you need to use it for. Does not have a holder, but it comes with one of these metal cover, and it says Japan on it. So that's, I assume, original holder right here. So the way I like to do it, just lift it up a little bit and push it down, matches really well, and then close it. Boom. That way you won't cut yourself, and your machete a lot more compact. Handle a little bit cracked over here, somebody dropped, but nevertheless still amazing. This gadget, I got it here, sterling silver toothpick. So you got it here, a little blade, so you can do your business, clean your teeth out, and whenever you're done with it, you just push it back in, and it works really good. I don't know, it just slides in and somehow gets tight at the end over here to where you could actually use it, and it's kind of soft metal, nice, and then close it back up. Very interesting. And over here it says sterling, and it says it's a sterling silver, really vintage, I guess, everyday carry gadget over here. That's nice. Then I got over here interesting coin holder. There's a belt clip. You just unspin it and spin it up to take the coins out. I wonder if it takes apart all the way. So 10 cents, 1 cent, 5 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents. So let's see how usable that is. Can we just open it a little bit? Yeah, looks like it's goes in there pretty good. I guess you can open it all the way and load it up. Get your change ready. Fits in there super nice. 1 penny saves a dollar. Is that what they say, right? Okay, then you can close it. Boom. Definitely wiggles around if it's not all the way full. But if you're working on a belt, yeah, I guess it does make a little bit noise, but still pretty awesome. I would stick it in a car, maybe even use that belt clip to stick it in case I need some coins in a toll. I can take some out, but they don't come off that easily. Yeah, looks like I would have to remove this thing all the way to easily take off the coins. So will it be easy to take off one at a time, all of them? Yeah, I guess so, because I can just use it like that and take all the coins out. But still, I wish there was some kind of maybe a springs on it, so that way whenever it's not all the way full, it wasn't like making bunch of jiggly noises. But still, very interesting coin holder over here. And this side here, another very vintage, I guess, kitchen gadget. This is asparagus stones. From what I understand, it's sterling silver. Sterling silver is 90% silver. So I never seen stones that have rings like that for your fingers. There's a thumb and 2 fingers over here. So imagine this is asparagus. You just grab a few of them and you just lift them up. So this is really nice and opens really wide. This is so funny. Check this out. This is just for example, but yeah, you can, I guess, use it for pretty much anything that you want to grab it and have serving tons. It's so interesting. Got it here, work stick. So this is like a miniature screwdriver. Let's see what it's all about. This is kind of cool. It's also electric, which is I never seen before. I've seen a lot of miniature screwdriver. Look, it looks like a, I would say, a marker. And look, there's actual light in, out. So you got that here, a stick of different screwdriver bits. Beautiful. So I think I'll just be using one of this. So I can use it like a regular screwdriver. What about screwing back in? Yeah, not powerful enough. And how do we replace the battery? Looks like you just recharge it with a regular charger. It just comes with the wire. So yeah, I just wish it was a little bit more powerful. You know what, let's charge it up for like an hour and we're gonna try this again. Let's see if it works at least on a little screws like that, like sunglasses. Okay, let's try to take it apart. Okay, there's a button. Okay, it works, look at that. The whole screw came out. You can take this out. So this is mostly meant for electronics and like little sunglasses like that. So it's a mini screwdriver, mini electric screwdriver. Okay, let's say we need to screw it back up. I put the screw back in. Let's try it out. So it's nice. So it's definitely made for tiny screws like that. But what about a knife? Will it work with a knife? Kinda like it that it's super easy to replace the bits. Well, if it doesn't work, you can always just use your hands to unscrew it. Boom. And we took off this screw. So let's put this screw back on. Let's see if it's going to be easy. Instead of doing it by hand, just grab a screwdriver and then tighten it up more. This is quite nice. I untighten it and take off the screw. That is cool. I really like that screwdriver. Definitely usable for many things. And if it's out of juice, you can just use it like a regular screwdriver.